Hey there, welcome back to Truly Cooking. Before we start, I would like to give a quick shout out to everybody who watched our first video and say thank you very much for your support. Now, in today's video I will show you how to make the perfect bacon, roasted onion and green pea salad. All we need is one red onion that I previously roasted in the oven at 200 degrees for just about 10 minutes, half a cup of frozen peas, a quarter cup of sugar snappies, one baby gem lettuce, a slice of bread, 2-3 slices of bacon, a soft boiled egg, teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of chili flakes and 2 tablespoons of olive oil extra virgin. Now let's cut our bread into large dice for some awesome croutons. I'm using the same bread like in our previous video just to show you how to cross-utilize ingredients in your kitchen and to minimize waste. Alright, let's go ahead and make our Dijon vinaigrette. As we all know, oil and any other liquids like water or acids don't really get along. Enter the almighty Dijon that will act as an emulsifier, making our sauce very nice and very creamy. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt, a pinch of chili flakes, some honey just to counterbalance the acidity, and slowly add olive oil. Whisk vigorously in order to add air into our newly formed dressing. And that, ladies and gents, is how you make a very simple and delicious vinaigrette. In order to achieve delicious, scrumptious, whatever man, croutons are very simple to make, okay? In a medium heat pan, just add some olive oil, a pinch of salt, a few sprigs of thyme, a pinch of chili flakes, and just let these bad boys toast. You can absolutely go loco and add garlic, other herbs like sage and rosemary, add some smoked paprika, and the variations are endless. Make sure you flip these so they get all nice and toasty. Pun intended. Now on to more serious business. In a medium-low heat pan, place your bacon slices in such a manner that you make sure they are socially distancing from each other, just so they can cook properly. We are going to render these slowly so that we can achieve delicious, crispy, golden bacon. Honestly, it's really simple. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations if you've made it so far. It is now time to assemble all of our elements into the most incredible, delicious salad that you have ever tasted. In your medium bowl, add the lettuce, making sure it's all nice and cozy. Address the situation with some dressing and give it a quick toss. A mini toss, if you will. Start layering our lovely roasted onion, throw in some of the sugar peas to add some extra crunch and freshness, add your delicious croutons. However, don't forget about the bacon and the green peas. Now, start all over because you probably did it wrong. Add the eggs at the very end and drizzle some olive oil, making sure that your plate is Instagram ready. There it is, folks. It's a very simple and delicious bacon, roasted onion and green pea salad. In the words of the almighty Porky Pig, that's all, folks. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.